guys, it's Dog Gamer here, and I have a special announcement. I went to Friendly's because today's my dad's birthday. Woo, 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 woo! And then went to the school mall, found Casey Jones. My dad bought the future toy with Mondo Gecko, and I have the Turtle Hollywood car. I'll show you in another video. But let's open him up. Wow, guys, look how cool Casey Jones is. I like to save these boxes for arts and crafts. You never know when we can use it. And this is Casey Jones. I like how he has a little pad. If you watch the video of Future Toys robots, space robots. Hey guys, that is just Crazy Gamer, Crazy Gamer. And then he has that in the back to hold his thing. See if he can walk. Oh, whoa! I took my skate lesson. I took my skate lesson. Skate lesson. Ah! Ah! Okay. Oh yeah! And it comes with a little mask. Let's pop that on. Oh! You know me, I hate reading instructions. Ah! Masks wanna go in. Look how cool he looks. Woo! Hey guys. Okay, and he has a little hockey stick. That's right. Ah! I don't know where the back goes. Oh, we can turn it around. That's so cool. That is mad cool. How we can do it, right, guys? And look. Ah! No, stop falling. Okay. Call me later, okay? Yeah. But no, what thing spam? Hi, Nick. I mean, pay gamer. Okay. I don't know why Crazy Gamer said Eliza, and I don't know why I said Nick, but I don't know who was Nicholas or Eliza. Hey guys, holy lasagna, lasagna. Oh, and this cool checklist. Oh, oh God. Oh, looks like they gave me two. So open it up. You can see the turtles. I'm a huge fan of turtles. Oh, whoa, whoa. First, me look at it myself. Oh, they have even have the Cars new movie, and I have this one right here. Oh, let me see where my finger is. I have this one, Donatello. I am in love with Donatello. Oh, if you want double time, where's Feed the Toy? Oh, the Mentionite Feed the Toy. My dad had that, but but my dad took it away from me. Oh, oh, I have the Ninja Insane when they're big babies. I have this big one with just let me oh, okay, let's open our other one. It says Tea Machine. Oh, I know what these is. It's the little cars. It shows on the move thing. It's the Happy Shell Hero. I already have all the plushies. So cute, as babies. Like that. And then they have big cat Oreo. I can't show you the whole thing because it's really, really big. And bye guys. Bye guys. Make sure to comment section. Bye. Just comment. Just you can put one, and subscribe. And what was the and my math? No, I'm horrible. Bye guys.